Attic insulation removal is essential for various reasons, including the removal of asbestos-containing zonolite insulation, mold treatment, or simply replacing old, worn-out insulation. At Mold Busters, we use high-powered industrial vacuums with HEPA filters to thoroughly clean your attic, leaving it ready for future plans. Asbestos, common in homes built before the 1980s, is a significant risk when removing attic insulation yourself. These fine fibers can become airborne when disturbed, leading to serious health hazards like mesothelioma, lung scarring, lung cancer, and even death. Mold in the attic, often due to roof leaks, condensation, or high humidity, can go unnoticed, affecting your home's air quality through your HVAC system. To eliminate attic mold, all wet or water-damaged materials, including old insulation, must be professionally removed to prevent contamination. Don't risk your health. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at busmold.com or through our app.